Welcome back, everybody. Here I am back as soon as I can. We're doing it with the phone again. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Hopefully, you caught all the great live streams that I did on the Blackstone Facebook. We did giveaways. We gave away like one of everything here. And I told you about the Toolkit the other day, $39.97 at Walmart. Booyah, it's still available, walmart.com. It's got something of everything in there. There's a 28-inch, only $147 at Walmart. I'm told that it is completely sold out at walmart.com, but there's some left in some stores. And the pizza oven, we covered that as well. $147 with the rotating stone, the 13-inch rotating stone, and you'll never see it cheaper. But the big items that I wanted to bring to you here on my channel, and by the way, my goodness, please be watching over at Blackstone social media, because that's my #1 job, and I try to get over here and give you what I can whenever I can. The completely redesigned, the 3rd generation. These are Cyber Monday, Black Friday specials, one of a kind. The 22-inch Flexfold Griddles. These are in 3 colors. The beautiful green, my goodness, I mean, check that out. The charcoal gray. It is beautiful. And the desert tan. You might have one of the 22-inch desert tan tabletops from 2 years ago. That was a lighter shade of tan. This is a darker shade, and this is beautiful. It almost has a blacked out military kind of tactical look to it. So let me bring you in a little bit closer on these. $197, by the way, one of a kind. They will sell out right now at walmart.com. So it's a 22-inch griddle. It has a brand new redesigned closure, a really cool orange adventure-ready closure. Of course, you have the 22-inch griddle top. And this is how it works if you're unfamiliar with the 22-inch Flexfold. You can wheel it around. There's a little pin right here. You just pop that open, down, and you bring it up like this, lock it in place. That's your 22-inch Flexfold. This is how I transport mine. I always keep my grease cup inside a little Ziploc bag. Clip that on back like that. Comes with the regulator for a 1-pound propane canister. And of course, you can use the Blackstone propane hose to hook that up to a larger bulk tank, either a 5 or a 10, 15, 20-pound propane tank as well. This is the 3rd generation of these that Blackstone has made over the years. $197 right now at walmart.com. You're never going to see these again. From time to time, Walmart might bring back one color if they really like it, but these are special right now. 3 different colors just for Cyber Monday. Everything at walmart.com. Somebody commented on the last video. They said, Todd, how much is Walmart paying you? And I said, you must be new to the channel. Walmart doesn't pay me anything. So if you are new to the channel, my name's Todd. I've been cooking on a Blackstone griddle for 12 years. I was the first person to cook on a Blackstone griddle on YouTube and on social media. So I've been working for Blackstone for a very long time. This is my personal channel here. I cook for a living for Blackstone. I have a weekly show over at Blackstone social media called Let's Give It a Try. I've been doing that for a long time. A new episode every darn week, and I travel the country on behalf of Blackstone showing off our griddles. But this is my personal channel where it all started. I've been here on YouTube for 18 years, and so the neat extra blessing is I get to bring all this stuff to you here on my channel. Every year people ask me, Todd, what's coming out for Black? Here it is. What's coming out for Cyber? Here it is. When are the new griddles going to come out? Here it is. People have been asking like crazy for 2 years. When are the pizza ovens going to be cheaper? Here it is. So $147. You're never going to get any cheaper. This is the time of year, folks. And undoubtedly, I'm going to have people that get on here about 2 months from now and say, hey, I've been looking for the green griddle and I can't find it. So if you're tuning in late, this is all Black Friday and Cyber Monday stuff. Walmart.com. Get over to Blackstone social media. You'll see me doing the live stream for these yesterday. Stay tuned. I'm going to have a big giveaway coming soon with my friends over at Redmond Salt. So get pumped up for that. Let me know down below if you want to get in on that giveaway. We'll try to get that up here within the next week or 2. Until next time, everybody, this is Todd here at Griddle Central. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the food from the Blackstone griddles and, of course, from the Blackstone pizza oven. We'll see you as soon as I can.